Hey family, hey, happy Sunday. Yancy here, you guys. Welcome if you are new, welcome back if you've been. All right, you guys, so this video is all about Mother's Day and items to get for your mother, for your friend who has children, for your sister, your niece, your cousin, family members, co-workers, whoever it is that you feel close to, that is a mother that you feel definitely deserves something for Mother's Day, no matter what it is, big, small, luxury, or whatever. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. All right, but before we do, let me go ahead and ask you to go ahead and subscribe. If you are new here, my video is all about luxury, lifestyle, and a little bit of travel. All right, so I talk about luxury bags, luxury unboxings, luxury reviews, a little bit of travel in between, a little bit of lifestyle where you will get some weekly vlogs every once in a blue moon. So if you like that, go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, you guys. So now that we got that out of the way and you probably subscribed, if you are new, hopefully you did, I'm going to trust that you did that. We are talking about Mother's Day gifts. So Mother's Day gift ideas, all right? So it's not too late to get your mom, your sister, your cousin, your niece, a friend, girlfriend, whoever it is, something for Mother's Day, all right? I don't care if it's a grandmother who raised those kids. I don't care if it's a guardian, whoever it is, get them something that you feel that they definitely deserve, or you were just thinking about them. Let them know that, you know what, they're doing a great job, because parenting, motherhood is very hard, all right? At times it can be a thankless job, but we definitely want to thank them for the job that they do, all right? So with that being said, I want to go ahead and give you a few little gift ideas for mom, all right? Just in the event that you have no idea what to get her. And it doesn't have to be anything extravagant or expensive or huge. Sometimes it could just be the thought. Sometimes it can just be like, you know, something very small, such as dinner. And that is a gift idea that I'm gonna discuss, all right? So if we have any guys here watching this video, definitely do something that is very thoughtful, whether it be reservations, whether it be cooking dinner at home. I'm talking about cooking, cleaning up, serving the dishes, just whatever it is, go ahead and do that, because a lot of the times moms are normally the ones that are cooking. I'm not saying the guys, the dads, the men, they don't cook, but a majority of the time it's the snacks that are getting prepared, the dinners, the lunches, what have you. And it's tiring, all right? It's tiring. So mom definitely wants to have that feel of just sitting back, enjoying, waiting for dinner to be done, or just getting dressed and going to a dinner reservation. So go ahead and make that dinner reservation. Go ahead and cook dinner. Go ahead and get a private chef if you have it like that. Who cares? Because it is something that she would definitely appreciate, because she doesn't have to lift a finger to feed anyone, and all she has to do is sit back and relax. All right, so the next gift idea, you guys, is going to be perfume. You can't ever go wrong with perfume. Some people love it, some people don't. Some people have their very hard stance on the perfume that they love, that they buy, and that you know it's their signature scent, all right? So if you happen to know that person's signature scent, go ahead and purchase that if you see that they're running low. But if it's something that they have never worn before, I definitely would not take a chance. You definitely want to just buy something that they've worn before, that they really love, or that they've been talking about. You don't have to buy a huge bottle. Just buy something that's really small that they can kind of test out. That way you know that, you know what, if they like it, the next time maybe for a birthday or even for Christmas, you can go ahead and get the bigger bottle. But perfume, you could never go wrong. Everybody loves a good fragrance. Everybody loves to smell good or whatever like that. I recently went to Joe Malone, and it's literally like my brand new favorite fragrance ever. I don't know why I'm not wearing it, but I love Joe Malone, and I have certain signature scents that I normally tend to either pair together or by itself. But either which way, I digress. But fragrances, you can't go wrong, all right? All right, so the next, and honestly, to tell you the truth, I think this might be the most important gift idea ever. Cleaning service. So we're talking about Mother's Day, all right? So therefore, if we're speaking about Mother's Day, mom is cleaning up after everyone, whether you have toddlers, teenagers, or you have grown adults who have made their way somehow back into the house. You're cleaning up after people, all right? So I think for a great Mother's Day gift, calling a cleaning service, having them clean the house, having them just kind of do the major items. They don't have to do laundry or anything like that. Just get the house clean. That way mom doesn't have to lift a finger to do so, is possibly one of the best gifts ever. So me personally, I would definitely love to incorporate at least a cleaning service twice a week in my house. Because so a cleaning service is something that definitely I don't think any mother would oppose. You know, some people sometimes like their things their way, and we are no exception. But for the most part, if you were to get a cleaning service for mom for Mother's Day, I think she would be very happy. All right, you guys, since we were talking about mom not lifting a finger, the next best thing is quiet time. I have seen several people be interviewed when it comes to Mother's Day, and they ask, oh, what would you like for Mother's Day? And a lot of moms say, I would like to sleep in. I would like quiet time. So with that being said, take the kids, dad, sisters, grandparents, whoever it is, take the kids, empty the house, and let mom just sleep in. Don't worry about breakfast. She doesn't want that. All right? Not to say that she might not later on, however, to just be able to sleep in later than normal, not have anybody running in the room, jumping on the bed, asking for breakfast, asking for lunch, what have you. Let mom sleep in. Quiet time is so important. Moms literally just want to be able to enjoy. And I know for the most part, when it comes to me, when it comes to us, our quiet time normally tends to be right around 10 to 12 or 1 o'clock in the morning, because everyone is now from school or work, everyone's in, and now we are sitting down to enjoy, whether it be a movie and what have you. And mind you, between 11, 12, 1 o'clock, that's late. We should be getting some sleep. We should be enjoying our sleep time, downtime, relaxing, but that is relaxed time. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, to be able to just sit in the afternoon, watch a movie by herself, with some popcorn, with some candy, with some drinks or whatever like that, nobody around, that quiet time, that's enjoyable. So think about that. All right, so the next item, luxury items. Come on. It's a luxury channel. I love my luxury goods, all right? So with that being said, if you have it like that, all right? And sometimes it really doesn't take too much. You don't necessarily have to go Chanel or Louis Vuitton or anything like that. You can actually just go get a bag from Marshall, Macy's, JCPenney's, Coach, Kate Spade. All right, there's so many luxury items that you can get that is definitely price friendly. So you do not have to break the bank whatsoever, because mom will definitely appreciate it either which way, all right? But if she's looking to get a new bag, if she is looking to get a new bag, definitely look into something that she might like. Look in her closet, see what she likes. If she likes smaller bags, get something that's smaller. If she enjoys bigger bags because she loves to just throw everything in there, get her a bigger bag. But definitely replace the older bag that's probably wearing thin. It's literally had its last days, and get her something that she might love, that she can use for a long time to come. All right, so the next item, and I know we're getting up in price here, but again, only do what you can. Do not live beyond your means. However, a vacation. If it's time and it's the right time, definitely give mom a vacation, whether it's by herself or with her good girlfriends, or just you, significant other, hubby, whoever is taking the time to say, you know what, I planned a trip for us. Let's go ahead and go away for a 3-day weekend. Grandparents are coming to pick the kids up, or a sister is coming to pick the kids up. They're watching them for at least 2 or 3 days. Go ahead and go somewhere. You don't even have to go out of the country, just somewhere nice, whether it be, you know, Maine and you're getting some crabs or whatever like that, or, you know, California. Just look online, find some tickets, get a nice little Airbnb or a nice little hotel, walk around the city for a little bit, and then it's just some place to just get away. You don't have to worry about cleaning, you don't have to worry about cooking, go to a restaurant, or sometimes just stay in the hotel. That's fun as well. Nice little vacation. It's calm, it's cozy, it's relaxing, and it really didn't break the bank, because you can definitely find some really great vacation spots. Go on Booking, look on Google. you really can't go wrong. So a nice 3-day vacation for mom is always great, and I think she would definitely appreciate it because it's just kind of like an on the go. And if she's an on the go, spur of the moment type of gal, then that works. If not, then definitely talk to her. That way she's not surprised and she can actually pack her stuff if she loves to pack her own things. All right, communication is key. All right, you guys, so the very last thing that I have in mind for mom for Mother's Day will definitely be money. All right, gift cards, money, make appointments for mom. So basically what that means is if mom loves money because she wants to buy her own things, because a lot of times people are picky when it comes to what they like, and you don't want to take that away from them. You don't want to take anything out of their hands. The best thing to do is give a gift card, give some money. They have that luxury of buying their own items. You can't go wrong, and no one's ever said no thank you to money. So definitely just get a card, put some money in there, or get a gift card, put some money on a gift card. Whether that increment is $50, $100, $500, whatever your budget is, go ahead and do that. Throw it in a card, give it to her, and just say, enjoy your day. All right, make sure you know that her schedule is clear. You ask her and then set up that appointment for her. Take her there, let her enjoy, whether it be a spa moment, whether it be her nail salon, whether it be her hair salon, whatever it is, just give her that and she will enjoy it. Because again, you cannot go wrong with some nails, with some hair, with eyelashes, whatever it is, whatever she enjoys, whatever she wants to do, go ahead and give that, because she definitely deserves that. Moms have been around for so long. They have taken care of us. We have become moms. We are taking care of other little ones, and the cycle just continues. So again, it is a very, very high profile job. All right, and moms deserve a lot. All right, so either which way, you guys, yes, definitely go ahead and give the cash, give the money, because it's always best. All right, you guys, that is it. That was my 7 top things to give mom for Mother's Day. All right, so hopefully these mom's gift ideas were great. Hopefully you have enough time to go ahead and give mom something for Mother's Day. And honestly, tell you the truth, there's nothing wrong with a hug. I know she'll appreciate that, especially if she hasn't received it in a very long time. So if mom has little ones, sometimes it's a little bit hard. You're gonna get those items from school, which is always appreciated because it comes from the heart. We love them so much. We put them on the fridge. We keep them for years to come, all right? But either which way, hopefully you've already shopped for mom, and if you haven't, hopefully these ideas help you, all right? Because it's not too late and you still have time. So go ahead and do that, and I'm sure she would appreciate it. All right, so thank you guys for joining me. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Hit that bell, that way you're notified every single time I upload, so that way I don't miss you, you don't miss me, and we're here. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye.